Good evening, Sir Chooks. I'm so sorry. My system
No,
died. Good evening,
no
everyone.
problem.
Apologies.
That's fine.
You've been made host.
All right, thank you. How's your day?
It was full.
Hello there.
Yeah, it was full, but thank God it's fine.
Well done.
Sorry, Chooks, are you saying
Yeah.
something? I can't hear anything. I don't know if...
No, okay, I just wanted to ask you, I started recording. I think
Yes,
I've just seen it.
you don't want me to record?
I've seen it. I've seen it. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, don't dash it. All right, good morning to those who are abroad. Good afternoon to those who are abroad. Good evening to those who are in my zone. And good midnight to those who are in their zone. Daddy, I'm looking for the link to the assignment.
That's what you want to be.
You
You want to go and be checking sign of this.
Nice.
So Achuk, did you hear?
No, I didn't hear
Sent you on
you.
Slack.
Okay, thank you. Dari, what you sent is just I can't see the responses.
I gave you access.
Come again?
I already gave you access to it. So maybe you should just click the edit button so I can see the rest of it. Okay, don't worry. I've opened it for you. I'll send it to you again.
I'm sharing my screen so you see what I'm also seeing.
Yes, I think I've opened it for you. So I believe you see it better now.
Then I share it. Okay, it's here.
It's better now, right?
I want to believe so. Yes, it is. Yeah, I think it's Derek. He gave me some good vibe yesterday. Derek, are you here? Is Derek on the call? Because okay, so I think I'll just use his to start the class because today we are going to be writing test cases and then defect reporting. Remember that this is the practical session. So I want to believe everybody has their laptop on their hands and then they are ready. So this is what's his name? Chigozaram's test case from this side. So I'll start with this. And then I'll show you what I really liked about it. Okay, so it's a username and password site. Now look very well and see what he did. Verified user can log in with valid username and valid password. That's one. Verified user cannot log in with valid username, invalid password. Invalid username, valid password. Invalid username, invalid password. This is how to write a test case. Can we see this? Should I maximize it more? Are we here?
Yes, we can see
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes, it's fine.
So this is how to write your test case. He did not hide it in another one. Everything is clear. Or if you are confused, let me know. Sharp, sharp. If you are confused by this test case, let me know. Is anybody confused with this test case? Hello? Hello, are you guys here?
Yes, sir.
It's going at me.
It's actually me, Benjamin. I don't know why I logged in and I'm saying admin. I don't understand why.
That is that person's mouse. All right, so that's fine. Okay, so now let's get our laptops open. I think I cannot share, but let me use this. This is our test case, our BRD. Okay, this is our BRD. And we are to be writing test cases from this and this. But let's start from here. Who wants to volunteer to share screen? This, or let me even start with this. Let me start with a question. Who can analyze this document like this? Oh, I can't copy this. Oh, shit. Who can analyze this document, what you're seeing on the screen? I think I start calling names, as everybody's not answering now. Malik. Oh, let me call Jesus Demilade Atoyebi. Are you there? Demilade. Can anybody hear me?
Yes.
How come it's looking like I'm the only one in this class? So when I started, I talked about analyzing a document, a BRD. So if you look up here, you say business case. This is a business case document. So what's the question, please? Okay. We want to analyze these documents we are seeing on our screen. Anybody analyze what you are seeing on the screen? Boyinde Adebola, analyze. It's simple English. Document analysis is what we want to start with. David.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I believe you are not having cold feet again today.
I'm under
So,
medication.
come again.
I'm under medication.
Sorry for you. Answer our question. Try and analyze what you are seeing.
Okay, so from what is shown here, a customer should be able to dial star 3229 and when the customer sends it, there should be a drop down, or the things will show, and in the options we will see payment. And when we are able to click payment, other options should drop of other payments. Then we are able to select electricity. Then when we select electricity, other options too should drop. And we'll see the disco. When we select on disco, it should ask us if it's prepaid or postpaid. Then when it asks us prepaid or postpaid, we'll select which one. When we select, let's assume we select prepaid, it asks us for meter number or account ID. Then we punch in the meter number. Then it will display the meter name and number and allow user to input amount. So
You have done very well so far. Sami, are you free? Are you in a good place to analyze our
Yes.
documents? All right, beautiful. Please analyze what you're seeing on the screen.
Well, for me, in summary, the document just shows how a customer is able to buy units, right? Using the using star 329 and also receiving a token via that same SMS to get that transaction successful and as well receive the token. That's a summary
Where
of
did
what it
you
is.
see to get a token?
Oh, sorry.
But
The
that's fine.
objective is
Just
to be able to buy. Sorry.
okay, thank you. Well, at least you did 90%. Obi Benjamin.
Okay, good evening.
Okay, Boyinde, go ahead. Boyinde, go ahead. If you have already unmuted, go ahead.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Okay, what I'm seeing here is about how a customer or user can purchase electricity using the USSD code to get an electricity from the either prepaid or postpaid, and to purchase electricity, that's the main this thing. The electricity, the company that's Disco is either the person using prepaid or postpaid, and the person should input his or her meter's number or the account number given to the person, and the person should be able to put the amount, certain amount the person is paying, and able to get a PIN, to input PIN for the USSD code for that transaction. And the payment is able to go successfully. Transaction is able to go successfully.
Okay, thank you. Bola Tito, Oladele Sekina, Bola Tito. Let's hear from you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yes, from the picture, I can see that it shows the process of getting units for a prepaid or postpaid lights or meter or whatever. So it starts
Charles,
by
okay
saying
now. It's fine. Bola Tito is fine. Charles, okay now. Oh, that's a guy again. I've called too many guys today. But Charles, go ahead and let's hear you. This Abiola, I don't know if he's male or female, although they are two. Charles, are you there?
Yes, I am, Sir Trooks. Sorry, I
Go
stepped
ahead.
out for a bit. What's your question next? Can you please help me with
The question is for you to analyze what you're seeing on your screen.
Okay, so far,
Yeah.
based on what everybody has said, it's basically the same thing I might be saying for customer to purchase electricity, from the first process down to the part where they would have to input the 4-digit USSD PIN. to get a successful transaction message pop up. So the first process is actually dialing the *329 hash.
Okay,
and then
that's fine. That's fine. Thank you. Opeyemi, I'll close with you. Opeyemi. Ajíṣẹ́jírí ni Ìmàtúlá Opeyemi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
According to what everybody has said,
Don't tell me
the
according to what everybody says. Tell me what you are seeing.
okay, according to what I'm seeing, so for us to successfully purchase an electricity person, so we have to go through the customer care service by dialing *329 and then upon dialing it, you go to select payment, you go to select electricity, then finally when I'm on the next page, you select this code, then the next you are going to select either prepaid or postpaid, depending on your preference. Then
Right,
we
thank
enter
you.
our meter.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, in analysis, one thing you should also do, Ibrahim Dauda, you have a question or you want to analyze?
Analyze.
Hang on. The analysis is fine, but we are still on it. So hang on. So in analysis, questions are very essential. So my next question is, what are the questions you will be asking from this short BLD you are seeing? You have used a short code before. I should have started with that. You have used a short code before. So you can just raise up your hand, I will call you. One of the questions you would ask as a tester when you see this, what is one of the questions that will come up to your mind when you see this? Anybody? Go ahead, Sonny.
Hello. Okay.
Go ahead.
Hello. Good evening.
Integrations,
Okay.
basically, for me, API integration.
API integration, that's one. Any other person? Amos, you are about answering. Ms. Akin.
Okay. I wanted to say, coming from the first this thing that customer dies *329, it needs to be proven if the person has actually onboarded on that service to be able to use it, creating PIN and other
Sure.
things for him to be able to use it.
Sure. Thank you. You're not deep. Hope we got his analysis, his question.
Yes.
Faith, go ahead. Faith, Debbie, go ahead.
Go ahead with what, sir? I thought I got
The
his
question.
question.
What question?
Because
Eh?
to use good evening, to use this USSD, we have to have registered, like, we can't just, when you want to use that USSD, when you just download the stuff, they will ask you a few questions and probably send you OTP before you have to be on board. Maybe.
Okay. Opeyemi is asking how long will the entire process take? Okay, Ibrahim Dauda.
So the question now you're asking, is it to the, like, okay, let's say product manager providing the document for you?
Possibly, if it's the product manager, whether it's the CEO, any stakeholder,
Okay.
any question that comes to your mind, they have
Okay.
given you a product. Now, this is the product requirement document. Ask a question.
Okay. So I would like to ask, like, does this all the possible user flow for purchasing of electricity token?
Sorry, your network broke somewhere.
Okay, so I say I will ask if this complete flow covers the all possible user flow for purchasing electricity token.
Define all user flow.
My network is breaking.
Hmm?
Sir?
Define all user flow.
Yes, yes. If this PRD, like if it contains all the possible like user flow for me to purchase electricity token.
Okay, I get it. I get your point now. Any other person? Abiola, Abdurrashid, Abimbola.
Then sorry, I have a comment, right? Is this process for the client? Because I'm not seeing anything speaking to the fact that it's checking that the amount you want to buy versus your balance. So just to confirm that the balance that you have
I see my
is able
screen.
to purchase.
I
Yes,
see my
yes.
screen. So
Oh yeah,
there's still a whole
yeah.
lot. But I
Okay.
just decided to bring out just one part of it so that we'll be able to
All right.
digest it properly. So some of you are still on the right track. Do you get?
Yes.
Okay. So Abdul Rashid, Usman, Gambo Usman, be prepared for the next one. Response time. Oh, third party provider. Oh, all right. Gambo Usman, Abdul Rashid Usman. Any of you can answer.
Yes, sir.
So go ahead. What question
You
would you
say?
ask? What question would you ask? Seeing what's on the screen. This process flow.
Okay. My question will be, the first question will be, can the user access this USSD code from any network provider? That will be the first question. Then the second one will be, where is the code for a user to kind of pre-register for him to create his 4-digit PIN before even proceeding to the payment site.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gambo Usman, people are noting the questions that are coming up because these are critical questions you should ask before you jump into testing. Tony Bello, you want to talk? Gambo Usman. Oh yeah, time is going because we still need to write our test case now. Gambo Usman, are you there?
Yes,
Okay,
I am. Good evening.
Okay. Good evening. What question would you ask?
I think I wrote that. I said, which third-party provider are we using to
Third-party provider. Okay, I don't have a third-party provider. Okay. All right, last but not the least, Vivian Vincent. Utibe is here. Utibe, you be the last person. Vivian Vincent.
Yes.
What
Good
question
evening.
would you ask?
Okay.
Why are you
I
laughing?
got you.
Answer question.
Okay, so one of the questions I would maybe ask is, so it's hard to, okay, let me think about it. Okay, so I'll probably ask if how many digits are the meter number or the account ID. Like, what's the fixed digits? Can it be more? Example, if it's 10 digits, I'd want to know if it is possible for it to be more than 11, so that I can also form basis of some negative test cases that I would probably want to test.
Thank you. You are doing well. At least you know for man. Utibe. How will you go about testing it? Oh, Koa, that's nice.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. I greet you.
I greet you, sir. I don't know. Let me try. First of all, I'll ask if the person has registered to be able to get the 4-digit USSD PIN to authorize the transaction. Then I'll ask for the what's the word? The least amount and the highest amount that the
Boundary
customer
value
can,
analysis.
yes, sir, that the customer can put to be able to make purchase also. That's the only two things that come to my mind.
Okay, thank you, everybody. So let's get our laptops ready. I think I should do this. What are different payment methods accepted? Thank you, Richard. I think I should do this on the additional fees. Oh, Abel,
Baby,
thank
is it
you.
burning?
Yes, it's burning.
Hey, she's not supposed.
Mr. Chooks, how about if the person can get their token via email?
If you can get what?
The token via email.
It's a good question. It's a very good question because here now they didn't tell us how we get our token. They didn't tell us if immediately we see transaction successful, our meter is automatically updated with the amounts that we purchased.
Mr. Chooks.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah. So I think part of the question should also be like, what is the duration? Is Deborah, sir?
Oh, go ahead.
Like now, if we should make a purchase of the token, what is the duration of we getting our token number?
Okay, the time for the token to
Yes, the
drop to
time
your
frame,
phone
yes,
or
to get the
to
token number. And number two question, I would love to ask personally. I think somebody has also said something similar, like what is the third party, like means of payment? Like, did they support all banks? Like, did they partner with all banks rather to make payments?
Okay,
You
that's
understand?
nice. Thank you, everybody. So let's bring out our laptops. Dari, has Dari gone?
I didn't go. My Zoom, I was trying to bring up on notification.
Okay, so this is what I will do, right? I'll put this link on test case. Let's I should make it open to all, right? No, I don't want it to be private only. Share. Anyway, yeah. There we go. Okay. Copy. All right. This gets interesting. Wow. All right. How will I test the bank charges? How do I know if the purchase is successful? I will ask what's the amount of maximum electricity consumer can addition. Okay. So I'm pasting this link on the chat. Everybody open it. And when you start writing your test case, as a matter of fact, let me reduce this one. Right? I will show you what you are doing, Utibe. Abel. Who is next? Revelation. Who is next? Vivian.
Which
I even
Vivian?
see what I mean.
Which Vivian again? I should have answered.
Wait now. I'll be coming down. We are in this class together. So what you will do is each person take your column, right? Open it up on your screen, take your column, and start writing your test cases. Do we understand my assignment or our classwork rather?
Yes,
I
I
don't
see.
understand.
No,
How
sir.
will you understand?
Test cases
How will
based on
you understand?
what
You cannot understand. So based on this that's on the screen, right? Are we there?
Yes, 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 yes.
Write test cases for all these things that are on the screen. Everybody pick your column, put your name at the top, and start writing.
Have
We'll
you
put
shared the
their
link?
name for you. Sir, ma, yes, it's on the group. I can see some people have already joined. Anonymous Arcos, Anonymous Dingo, Anonymous Cheetah, Anonymous Camel, Anonymous Hamster.
Yeah, can we see the documents?
Yes, definitely. I will share it for you. I will share it. What am I doing here if I cannot share documents for you? Who are we? It's maybe who. So enjoy yourself.
So please, where can we get the link? You said it's on
It's
the
on the
group.
chat. It's on the chat.
Okay.
You have 15 minutes to do this. The link is on the chat box. Remember, we have ingredients to follow: destination, transportation, and location. Don't be scared. Just write what you can. I believe you can still see the. You can see to verify that the user can go in there. Wow. With these columns reach by A to Z is how many? Gloria, I'm taking you to level 1, so go ahead. Who is on the G column? Your name is not there. On the G column, your name is not there. The B column is still empty. H column is empty. Okay. S column is taken. U column is empty. W column is empty. Y column is empty. That has taken the last column. So the other people that have not started, you can start from number 20. Put your name from number 20. If you can't find a space from A to Z, which I believe is just 20, 26 letters, right? Start from number 20 and put your name there. Amos Omisakin, I'm putting you as number 20. So you start from number 20 and pick to Z. Do you guys understand?
I can't type. Lady.
We are 60 in this class. We are 60 in this class. So I'm expecting 60 names on this sheet. I believe, Daddy, we can use this as attendance for today. Daddy, what do you think? No, still do your own. Still do your own. Still do your own. Don't worry, do your own.
Yeah, it makes sense. Statues.
Sir?
Okay. If somebody took out Z, I don't understand.
Yeah, and that's true. Somebody actually took out Z. I mean, they have color
Patrick, I
B.
can't
Oh,
find my name. Oh, where did you throw it to?
what's your name?
Gloria.
Gloria, what?
Statues.
I did not put anybody's name. Everybody should put their name. Please, Ogunleye Sarah, take another column. Don't go under Omisaki. There be faith. Take another column, not another row. Another row is where you are writing. Pick a column where it's empty and put your name there. Gloria, write your name on any of the columns. Dari, I think Google has decided to remove Z. So
I'm
look
even
for
thinking
another
of
place
something.
and enter. Come again.
I'm thinking of something. Maybe I want to suggest something.
Go ahead.
Like, can we use this extra tab button to just create so that everybody will maintain each sheet? Because I can't actually type at the end there. It's maybe because people are expanding the column.
Which one is extra tab, please?
Like, if you see this sheet 1, this sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet
Okay.
6.
Okay.
So people, we can just rename it as our name so that
Wait,
you can go and check.
Okay. I think
don't
that
know,
makes sense also. I think that makes sense. Okay, thank you. So everybody, thank you. Go to the sheet down. Copy your, rename your sheet. As you can see, Daria has renamed the sheet down. So copy your test cases. No space to type my name more. Fumbi, add a sheet and rename it. 6. Add a sheet and rename it your name. Sheet 7 conflict, blah, 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 blah. Please add a sheet and rename it your name.
So the sheets are conflicting because people are trying to rename the same sheets at the same time. So that's why all these sheet conflicts are happening. Because I renamed the sheets. However, I think multiple people are trying to rename same sheets, and here we have a problem. So this might not exactly
Please,
work.
we shouldn't rename sheet. We are supposed to just add a sheet. Please.
I'll be like test case.
So can we just listen? The idea is to add a new tab, then rename it your name. This sheet conflict is we have somebody on sheet 9 and that person on sheet 9. One of you that is on 9, rename it to your name so that it cancels out the conflict.
This will not exactly work because even the one I named my name, I can't find
Can't
it.
find it. That was you.
This will not work. Oh, I beg. Where is the sheet?
Hi, please, the heading of sheet is not working.
It's not working.
It's not
Where's that
working.
our sheet 1? Let me go and continue my test cases there.
Please, can they
Because
bring back the normal sheet we are working on?
where's the first? Where's the sheet 1?
Who took our sheet 1?
I don't even know. Sheet 1 day.
Wait.
Those that have renamed,
Please. Please,
Hello, wait,
Mr. Chooks, this thing will not work.
No
wait,
what
wait,
for?
wait.
The
Those
phone
that
is
have
happiness.
renamed, hello.
Yes.
Those that have renamed, if your name is still there, continue on that one.
Okay.
So let's take it one yearly. Everybody take it
Someone
one
went
by
to
one.
rename my own sheet.
It's normal. So let me call the sheets or just hang on.
Philip, you went to rename my sheet. You're working on my sheet.
Happiness is sheet one. That's the first sheet. It's now named. It's now called happiness.
Okay, is it happiness that she's one? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just
Mr. Chooks, this
continue
is
there.
not working. Oh, let's use the normal sheet.
Philip, you're working on my sheet.
Okay, oh, yes, head.
Okay, all of you should wait.
Can we go back to the initial sheet? I think
Everybody
that's
wait.
better.
Hello, everybody wait. So this is what I will do. I will delete all the sheets. Yes.
Okay.
Then I will rename the sheets by myself. I will
Okay.
create and name a sheet. So where you see your name, you fall in there. Is that acceptable by all?
Yes.
Okay. So if you
That's
have
fine.
written before, sorry, we need to start again to
Okay.
avoid all the stories. So I'm deleting all the sheets. Or better still, nobody should write again. Let me look for all the participants and start writing. Oh, sure. So when you see your name, everybody please mute your mic. Everybody please mute your mic so that I'll be able to write Immortal. Please, who is Immortal? Please, on Immortal yourself at the moment. Rewrite your name, please. Immortal, I shall know you are not invisible. Abdul Rashid, I've named the sheet for you. Abimbola Samson, I've named the sheet for you. As I'm naming it, I will call your name. Abiola, I don't know your second name. I've named the sheet for you. I know Victor Kolawole. I've named the sheet for you. Ajisiri, Ajisejiri, Akpayemi. I've named the sheet. Oh, shit. I said nobody should name sheet too. Nobody should name sheet. I'm naming it from this place. Are we together? Ajisejiri, I've named the sheet for you. Okay, Ajisejiri, you already have a sheet. Akpayemi, please unmute and speak.
Yes, sir. I have
Akpayemi.
it. I can't find it.
Voila. There's a arrow button there. There's an arrow button on that line. There's an arrow button on that line. Please, nobody should name any sheet now. I'm naming it from here. Augusta Daniel, I've named the sheet for you. Hakim Adegoke, I've named the sheet for you. Benjamin Odunjo. Benjamin, I've named the sheet for you. Boyinde Adebola, I've named the sheet for you. Boyinde, I've named the sheet for you. Charles. Okay, now I've named the sheet for you. Miriam, sorry, you start again. I've renamed your sheet to Trudy's sheet. Oh, Miriam. Okay, I will leave your sheet like that.
Okay, sir.
Continue on your sheet.
Okay.
Did you hear?
Yes.
So, Trudy, I've named the sheet for you. Dare, do you have a sheet?
Yes, I do.
You already
I
have
don't
a
have
sheet,
a
so I
sheet.
should not name a sheet for you.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm giving David. Dare already has. David, how many this are you using? About three. I've named the sheet for you, David. Akim, I've already named the sheet for you previously, right? Akim Adegoke. I've named the sheet for you previously. Deborah Agumo. Deborah Agumo. Sorry, I'm trying to. Revelation. Show your ball. I've named the sheet for you. Finfolua. You're not writing again, Abby, so I'm changing your sheet to Dojo. Abel, I've named the sheet for you. Ebuka Eze, I've named the sheet for you. Ebuka Eze, you already have a sheet. Continue on your sheet. Ebuka Eze. Faith Debbie, I've named the sheet for you. Finfolua.
Please, why did you name my sheet?
Finfolua have disappeared. Let's Finfolua.
I'm the one talking, please.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you named my sheet to someone else's name.
Sorry. Use the new one I'm doing now. Finfolua. I'm naming it alphabetically. So, yeah, to actually. I've named a new sheet for you.
Thank you.
Fumbi, I think I'm on Fumbi, right? Fumbi Adekombi. Fumbi Adekombi, I've named a sheet for you. Fumbi, you already have a sheet. Gambo Usman. Fumbi, I'm copying what you already have, right? I'm cutting it to where you have your full name, which is like 2 sheets backward. Fumbi Adekombi, I've cut your sheet. You will notice that there's nothing more on your sheet. Gloria Onodi, I've made a sheet for you. Happiness. Ozemina, you have a sheet. Ibrahim Dauda. Dare, well done.
Yes, now.
Well done. You're doing well. Ayamuna. Okay, that's nice. Jesse, you already have a sheet. Jesse, Ayamuna. Please answer. Karen Odaloni. You already have a sheet. Jesse Jiri Okpeyemi, I've created a sheet for you. Oh, I did not create it.
Yes, I'm working on it.
Okay. Dare, how did you lock your sheet? Please unmute and let everybody also log their sheets that I've already named for.
Okay, they just
Malik,
need to just right click and click on protect the sheet. I protect sheet.
so please, as they have given you like this, just lock it. Miriam, you already have a sheet. Bola Tito, I think I've not. Okay, Bola Tito is not doing anything. Just leave. Miriam, you already have a sheet, right?
Yes, I already
Miriam.
have a sheet. I already have a sheet.
Okay.
Please ask you where to protect.
Mutu Meina, you already I've named the sheet for you. So I'm doing it alphabetically. So you go and look for where your alphabet lies. Ndidi Chibogu. I've opened the sheet for you. Obi Benjamin. I've opened the sheet for you. Una plenty. Where am I? Obi Benjamin. Odukoya. I don't have a sheet yet. Olufemilayo Odutayo. I'll get to you. I'm going alphabetically by Oladele, Sekina, Bolatito. So I've opened a
Yes, sir.
sheet for you.
Okay.
I've opened a sheet for you. Olufumilayo, Odutayo. Olufumilayo, I've opened a sheet for you. Oluwasami, Ogunleye. Oluwasami Ogunleye, you have a sheet. I don't know what Okpe Olua is, but Okpe Olua, you have a sheet. Okpe Olua. Okpe Olua, you have a sheet. Daddy, you already have a sheet. Paul, you now have a sheet. Philip, you now have a sheet. Tony, your name is still down. Tony, your name is still down. Just hang on. I'm going alphabetically. Precious, Ogun, Semo. You have a sheet. Ukwa Victor, okay. Ukwa, don't write to Sumaya. Hang on, I'm going alphabetically. Precious, you have a sheet now. Rahama, Sani, you have a sheet. Rashidat, Aji Dagba. Rashidat Aji Dagba, you have a sheet. Richard Atunde, you have a sheet. I have to submit here. Are they the same person or they are different people? There's Sami and then there's Sami Agbola.
Yes.
They are different people.
People, yeah.
Okay. So Sami, you have one. Sami Agbola, you have one too. The two Samis you now have. Sami one, what's your surname? Oh? Sochi Diara. Sochi, you have one. That is the end of Solomon Grandi. Ibrahim Dauda, hang on. Ibrahim Dauda, why won't you have a sheet?
So I also don't have.
So I don't have.
Anybody after Sochi, just hang on. I'm creating your sheets. Anybody after Sochi, just hang on. I'm creating your sheets. Ibrahim Dauda.
Yes, sir.
You already have a sheet now. I'm going to look for it down there. You already have a sheet. After Sochi, Sumaya.
Yes, sir.
You have a sheet. Somebody please help me repost the the link to this sheet. Who is Tina? Tina, you have a sheet.
Tina.
Tosi Williams, you have a sheet. Toyin Bello, you have a sheet. Who again? Ukoha Victor, you have a sheet. My madam Utiwe Ikedoba, madam, I greet you, man. You have a sheet. My madam Vivian, you have a sheet. And last but not the least, Yetunde Olagunju, you have a sheet. If you don't have a sheet, please put your hands in the air. Adirogba Oluwakemi. Okay, I'll add you to the sheet. You might now just be at the end. So you check the last sheet. Adirogba Oluwakemi. You have a sheet. If you don't have a sheet, let us know. So everybody on this call, 60
I have a
people,
question.
question it.
What's the context for these test cases we are writing? Are we writing invalid test cases as well, or we're just writing valid test
Am I
cases?
supposed to tell you to write invalid test cases? You don't know that you're supposed to write it. You need Jesus. Your school fees, you need to refund it to the person that paid it.
Wow.
Wow. My gosh. So you're expecting the product owner to tell you, don't forget to write test cases. So are you joking or what? He is. Oh, Derek, you're welcome. Derek, I'll create a sheet for you. Ebuka Easy, I said you should lock your sheet. Derek.
Mr. Chips, I've not seen where to lock it.
To log in where?
To lock the sheet, to lock the sheet.
Right click it and then click lock. Protect sheet. I can see my own sheet, please. I can or I can't. Oh, you are the Sami, Abi, you are not the Sami. Dare, please give the means to locking sheets again.
On their sheet, they should right click on that tab, on the tab. Then they will see protect sheet.
Exactly.
Protect
Have you guys
just
seen it?
follow.
Ebuka Easy. That quarrel here now. See quarrel. Who me and the quarrel like this? Ebuka Easy. Who has taken Ebuka Easy sheet? Okay, Ebuka Easy, I'll create a new sheet for you. Ebuka Easy, I've created a new sheet for you. Please protect your sheet. Everybody protect your sheet to avoid stories that touch.
So how do you protect the sheet?
Right click where your name is and click select protect sheet.
Okay.
Right click where your name is and click protect sheets. This person don't be.
There's something like that.
Yeah. I'll be sharing my whole screen
Sir,
again.
there's nothing like that.
Wait now, just look at my screen.
Okay.
Everybody look at my screen in case you don't know. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
So you see Oluwasanmi Ogunleye. I will right click the name. This is protect sheet here.
Let me check it.
Are we all there? Oladele Sekina, you are not doing anything. Ebuka Eze, Ipeoluwa Paul, Precious Ogunseun, Rashida, Richard.
Mr. Chooks is asking me for access.
Who is talking?
David is asking for access.
The same thing here. Yes.
Which type of access, because?
Mr. Chooks, I think you need to do it for us. So.
It seems you close for everybody, not only your own.
Who has locked the access?
You are the one.
Mr. Chooks is when you wanted to share your screen.
When you want to share your screen, it said access denied.
Oh, sorry. Let me unshare it. I was trying to. Sorry. Let me unshare it. Yeah, please check again. I was only trying to do good, though. See life.
Sir, can you please resend the link?
I should resend the link.
Yes, sir.
God no go show once.
So I can't access my my
You
sheet
still need
again.
access.
I'm seeing Miriam test case.
Just hang on. I'll resend it. So try again. I'll resend it. If it does not work this time,
He's still asking the same thing.
What access again?
Yes.
It's not working. It's even telling me you've been signed out.
Oh, voila. Okay, all of you should wait. All of you should wait too. Nobody should touch the sheet again. Everybody wait.
From another tab. Okay.
All of you should wait. Hello. Hello. Are you guys with me? Don't touch
with you.
Yes.
With you.
We are waiting like the patient dog.
I don't be a patient dog, because patient dog know they say anything chop again.
This hunger don't kill him.
Hunger
don't kill him. Okay, so I've sent a new link. Let's check through. Miriam, I've changed it to a Miriam test case. Emma Gami. The title of this now Miriam test case.
Yeah, so I have Miriam test case on my title.
Ai gaba ɗaya aikin ita
Miriam,
kamar haka, ka gane?
Kalam Miriam test.
I don't understand what's happening.
Somebody have canceled. Okay, people still have their. Continue with Miriam test case. Just go and look for your name and do what
Like
you need
that.
to do.
On my name, I can only see hide sheets. There's nothing like protect your sheet.
Who is talking?
Abimbola.
There's protect sheet on top of hide sheets.
No, that's the only thing I can see here. Do you want me to
Abimbola
share?
Samson.
Yes.
Abimbola Samson.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, let me hide it for you.
But I'm seeing Miriam test case on my title.
Continue. So it has been taken over like that. Just continue. Don't protect the sheet. Just continue.
He's trying to
Everybody
reconnect.
I
don't know what is happening. He's not even allowing me to do anything. He's reconnecting. I can't even access the sheets. Okay, I think I should be able to do something.
Kai jama'a wannan abu kana koyan abu wallahi Okay. To verify that user.
Abdurrashid.
Sir.
Me afaru. Eh?
Select. Feed.
Some people are already doing well. Some people even gave you test case ID. Only one pop.
Mine is showing reconnecting since that time on. I'm not
Village
able
people.
to access the
Village
document.
people. Village people.
So it's showing reconnecting again. No, I'm not
Village
working.
people. Village people.
They are not here.
Where did they go to? Abiola, you're not doing anything on your sheet. Akim Adegoke, nothing. Benjamin Odunjo, nothing. Boyinde, Charles, Miriam, Judy, David. What happened? Deborah. People are not doing anything.
I'm doing it now. I'm writing it.
No.
I'm writing it though.
So I can't do anything. No, it's
Because you're
showing
protecting
reconnecting.
it. It's because you're protecting
It's
it. So
showing
you
it's
can't
showing
see.
reconnecting on my side. Is everyone experiencing it?
Reconnecting. It's not allowing us to do anything. Unless just open it on our, we would have just been using that single sheet.
So what we are doing, I just want to recap for some people that just came in. What we are doing is we are writing test cases for what is showing on your screen.
Yeah.
Which is this purchase electricity token using menu option.
Mm.
If you cannot see the sheet, just hang on. If you cannot see the sheet, let me see your name. Just say hi on the chat box. Gloria, away. Okay, continue. Yeah, she's reconnecting.
Mr. Troops, I
Are
can see
you
the
seeing it
sheet, but
from
it's
there?
reconnecting. I can't do anything. He's hanging.
My own too, just that.
He's reconnecting. He's not.
Refresh your sheets.
I've done that.
There's problem.
Oh, I don't understand this thing.
Daddy, you have taken us 22 minutes back.
I see, Mr. Chooks, I don't know why they're experiencing those issues because it's working fine for, I want to believe, almost everybody. So mine too had that issue, but I had to refresh. And I have access, even if I've not even done anything, but I have access to it.
So just try and refresh.
Can they confirm which tab they are on? Are they on their tab? Like, are they on their own tab or something?
Yes, I'm on my tab.
After the plus icon, there is
I'm experiencing that issue, and it's
working
returning
now,
that
so you can.
this is because the
Somebody
traffic
says it's
is
working now.
heavy.
You can continue now.
It's working now. Please,
I
you
have
can
issues
refresh.
with
I
it.
refreshed right now and it's working.
Thank you. As somebody shout hallelujah.
So it's working. I was using it, however, it just stopped working, and it's giving me a feedback that is due to heavy traffic in this file.
Exactly. That's what mine is saying too, Mr. Chooks.
Some tools might be unavailable due to heavy traffic in this file. Try again. Learn more or dismiss. What do we do, Mr. Chooks?
I think we'll just do it like on a separate Excel sheet, and when the traffic reduces, we can try to fill it in the Google Sheets. But that's the only thing that can maybe work now.
Okay, so if you are not on the sheet, right? This is what I will do. I will open a new sheet. Philip, you have changed it to Philip test case. Don't title the sheet. Just stay on your, don't title the whole page. Just stay on your sheet. Somebody has got to remove Miriam test case with Philip test case again. Okay.
I'm on Miriam's test.
It's okay. Everybody stop writing. Everybody stop writing. Stop writing. Everybody stop writing because now you have taken too long a time. Hello. Hello, are we all here? Everybody stop writing.
We are here,
Stop
sir.
writing. Thank you. People have done well. Both those that wrote.
Only for those that wrote.
Let me stop. Let me remove access because some people are still writing. Okay. So it's fine. Darren, don't forget to drop the attendance list again. So what I'm happy about is at least most of us now understand how to analyze a test, a BRD. Although this is the major thing. So what I would do is I can't share this BRD because it's the property of somebody else.
You can snipe out that part. You can just cut out this part. I'm sure.
So this will not take it home as assignments. I'll go and paste it on. I'll go and paste it on emergency group. So assignments, write as many test cases that can come to your head from this. I believe you are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, boss.
To
Yes,
avoid screen that is not seen and sheet that is seen. Okay. Azure DevOps, Bugzilla, Trello. Okay. Give me 3 apps. You can use to take screenshots. Ice cream recorder. Okay. Monosap for mobile, Loom, X recorder. Any website. Okay. So we are back to assignments. Derek, I need access. Chizogam, I need access. Demilade, Bugzilla, Testrail, Catalan. Testrail. 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 Demilade.
Sir.
Please explain to me how Testrail is a defect reporting tool.
Okay, I cannot explain because I actually not used it.
Yeah, I've not used it. Okay. It's not a defect reporting tool. It's a test management tool. Chizogam, have you done testing before?
A bit, sir.
Eh?
A bit. I have a bit of experience.
Well, we are not looking like a bit here. How many years experience do you have?
Just one.
So don't be telling us a bit now. So if 1 year and 0 year is talking, now not be mate now. So this is a defect sheet. Thank you. You're making me proud. If I have a contract, I can call you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. By the way, Testrail is the one I used to use in my former company, but they don't jam me come out, so you cannot see the inside. It's test management tool. What it simply means is all these test cases that we are writing, you can put them on TestRail. It's not a defect reporting tool. It's a, I don't remember my password. I think they have removed me, but let me try. We are recording this session. Sorry, I cannot try. So let's continue. Launch browser, open URL, providing valid username, provide valid first name, provide valid last name. Okay. That should not be able to proceed with onboarding, and site should display that username field and the accept. Username. Hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Oh God. Derek, they give me joy. I even seen what somebody did, so Derek, where do you work?
Training at Star Delight, then I freelance.
Okay. Why did you stop it there? What were you trying to do?
That's the end. That's the end. I was basically trying to show the onboarding process.
Username field accepts alphanumeric and user can register. Okay. So this is a very good example of a defect report. It showed you the steps. Peradventure, you are blind, you cannot read. It told you the expected results. It showed you the actual result. And peradventure, you don't know how far. You can watch it. I like your title, evidence. Let me maximize it so that everybody see it. Evidence. I think we should change the name of screenshot or screen recording to evidence. But this is beautiful. Evidence day. Thank you. Bugzilla, Trello, Redmine. Trello. Is Trello actually a defect reporting tool? I think it's majorly for project management. I've not really used it, I can't, but I think it's majorly for project management. Mantis BT. Okay. Loom, Adobe Captivate, a shampoo snap. We are not typing on the shift again. Okay, Sachi, thank you. But Sachi, your statement is not complete. It is what? There's defect in your statement. TestRail. Please, TestRail is not a defect reporting tool. TestRail is not a defect reporting tool. It's a test management tool. So when you go for interview, please don't go and say TestRail. Let me see who this guy is.
Mr. Chooks, please give me a minute. I need to turn on power supply.
Are you doing Greenfield bug reports? Environment. Okay, that's nice. Windows, test scenarios, steps to reproduce, expected result, actual results. Status, visual proof. When I get name, monosnap. Opo. Trello is also a defect reporting tool. It's like Jira. I think we use it majorly for project management. Okay. This is what Manso. Okay. Thank you. Who is this? Oh, Sachi.
That's me.
Yeah, I know. Let your shoulder pad increase. I see my guy. Let me come here and see what my guy did. Please, when they give you assignment, ensure that the link, you change it to anybody with link should be able to view. So you don't go and shoot yourself in the leg when they give you, when you go for an interview. Jam there. Who is on this sheet? Book a demo, steps to reproduce, websites, click the book a demo button, verify the page, an event, booking form is a new tab is opened and no form is displayed, status critical. Really man, you ignore. Vivian is critical. Why is it critical? The bank will close down. Vivian.
It was
Vivian,
a mistake.
Are you serious? No, be
I was
mistake.
struggling. Yes, wait. Hold on. See, I was struggling with that status, putting that validation thing on that status. I think I was just selecting what you wanted. Yeah, I just
So it
submitted
had
it
the
like
mind
that.
of his own.
It was supposed to be medium.
I tell her.
It was supposed to be medium for both
parts.
test cases.
It's fine. Your video did not show what we are looking for.
It showed now. Did you look at the expected results?
You said when you
Look at
click
what I
book a
wrote
demo,
down. So that
a form is supposed to show,
a
right?
new tab. Yes.
Okay,
And what is
it goes
happening is
back
that
to
when
the
you
same
click
page.
book a demo,
Okay.
it opens a new tab. So if you look at that tab up there, you realize that it went and opened a new tab.
Did
So
they
it
say you
didn't
should not
display what
open
it
a
was
new
supposed
tab?
to. So it's not. It's supposed to display a page, not necessarily on a new tab. But what this is happening is nothing. It's just displaying, just opening a new tab and not displaying what it's supposed to see, and no form is displayed.
Yeah, so I
So it's
would
not
have
just that it's
preferred you
opening a new
just
tab that is a problem.
exactly. So I would prefer you use that this no form is displayed, because some product owners want you to stay where you were while you can view what you want. So a new tab might not just be an error or a defect, it might just be part of the design.
So you're saying it's okay. Going to a new tab to fill it. Okay.
Yeah, it might
So
just
I
be the
would just take
product
away
design.
that a new tab is open down.
Exactly.
Okay.
But kudos, you guys are doing well at least. I think I can dash it to the main app and then I can go and sleep. Insufficient color contrast. Anyway, look for any website that has defects and write at least 2 failed test cases. Click up. Zoho. Tosi Williams. OBS Studio. Phile, give me 3 apps you can use to click. Okay. Yeah, OBS is true. Although, we use it for mainly church. So we'll not remember that you can do screenshots. HP Quality Center, IBM Rational Clear Quest. Oh boy. This person did not do the defect. Aladele Sekina, Mantis BT. Hope you guys are learning something.
Yes.
Okay. That's the test case. Bug ID, test scenario, steps, expected results. This one does not have evidence. Fatima, where's the evidence? I cannot reproduce this. Hello, Fatima. Fatima, Fatima is not here. She does not have evidence. Let me use this to teach us, right? When you open this defect, the developer will see it and he quickly go and fix it. And then he will come back to your sheet and told you, I cannot reproduce. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, yes, you see this evidence is safety for you. The developer will see these two defects now. It was actually a defect. You saw it. But God help you that you are working in a toxic environment, right? They will tell you you are wasting our time and you are wasting our resources. And that might just be strike one. How will you open two defects and then developers say he cannot fix it, he cannot reproduce it? Are you joking on your job? You don't know your job. So I'm speaking from a toxic environment now. So please, evidence is very necessary. I said, even when your company is not toxic, you never can say the next person that is coming in when the non-toxic oga leaves. So please, evidence is very necessary. Whose hand is up? Paul.
Hello, good evening, boss.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question.
Evening,
I have a question based on what you just said now. From experience,
yes.
Well, let me come out like this. Well, I've been a software engineer, and I've seen cases where a particular QA raised a defect, and I ask, can you give us, at least let us have the data that we use that produce this error. Let's imagine in an enterprise application whereby maybe corporate organizations have to log in. Maybe you want to do like all these maker checker, you want to approve something. At least let's have the data that we use to do the whole process that failed so that we can simulate. This lady said, no, go and check it, go and simulate it. No, there's no way I can simulate it. Is that one okay? And she was still arguing that no, she can't give us the data that she used to simulate that brought that defect. Until when we argue on need or people the other stakeholder to come in before she now finally drop the data. What should we say in that scenario? Thank you.
That QA needs Jesus Christ. Why are you being toxic? She's being toxic. Paul, if I get your points correctly, she raised the defect but did not show how she got the defect, right?
Yeah, she showed how she got it. Yes, she didn't drop the on normal day there'll be a request that'll give you maybe produce a response. Let's have the request that we use. Can we have something like that to test to see? Because as a developer or as an engineer, I believe engineer cannot have everything, all the scenario of what you want to test against. They can just do their own little. True. But at least let's have the data of what to use that give that error, so that the person can use that one to simulate it and see, this is naturally true error. Maybe you have a corporate user for one particular organization type. At least drop the request that maybe the data the person want to approve. If possible, you can even drop the login details of that person, because the login will have captured the maybe organization ID for that particular organization type. And she refused to drop the necessary data that produced that error. She refused to drop it. until a lot of argument came up. She shall finally drop it. So what should we say to that one now?
She's not a team player. She's not. So let's learn from this. As QA, you should be a team player. There's nothing you lose by showing how you got it. For example, there are some people that when they got married, they add hyphen to their names in order for them to keep bearing their parents' names, right? If you use a $sign and it still passes, that's a defect. You cannot now tell the developer when you put a special character. Special characters there are plenty. Do you expect him to go and be looking for all the special characters? No. So please be as specific as you can when you are reporting your defect. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
to answer Somi Agbola, how do you manage defects that happen randomly and can't be replicated? Show evidence. Once you show evidence, at times it might be environmental factor, right? Like on this my system now, there's a site that if I open it, it's always catches. That means everything repeats. If I put failed now, in the next run of the same site, failed will still be there, even when I clear my cache at times. On other people's system, it doesn't happen like that. So at times, if you have a video evidence, you can use that to show, okay, oh, this is what is working, and this is how it's working. People can now look for solution for you to actually get that solved. So to handle or manage defects that happens randomly and can't be replicated, please use a video recording. Thank you. Any further question? I have 3 minutes to go. Any further question? Any question? Nobody's talking. No. When an application is modified and there is change from developer end, it affects another function on the application despite testing. The question is, why is end user not allowed to test after change? Okay, so there's something called product testing, and I think it's so far. Okay, no, all companies do it, but I think it's only MTN. I've seen that as a rule, right? They just do the change and deploy with another UAT testing after change. Hakeem, I'm trying to answer your question from the first one. End users are allowed to test. There's something called beta testing, right? Normally, beta testers are not part of the company. If you go to your phone and go to an app, you will see, I think majorly on iOS, I've not checked on Android, you will see become a beta tester. That is you being, as an end user, a tester of that app. What it does is, you as a beta tester, you first see any improvement before the general populace sees it. So end users are allowed to test after change. Hakeem, do I answer your question? Some companies don't do it, but matured companies do. Okay, thank you. I have 0 seconds to go. Thank you all for coming to my class. Tomorrow will be revision. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chooks.
You're welcome, sir. Tomorrow will be revision, And I think marking of scripts. We have marked most of our scripts. Okay, so I will drop these two sites again. These are testing sites. Yeah, there's already an error here or a defect. Why do I keep calling it an error? So from here, demo blaze. Okay, I think some people have already done it. No, I do not just see demo blaze from anybody. I thought I did. So you can also use this and run tests on your end just to keep your hands working. So I got this from the web, from the internet. All I simply typed was free QA test sites to find defects. And then it gave me these three. Let me add the last one. What I'm trying to achieve from this is to tell you that you can find almost anything online. You can find almost anything online. Let me give you my last cheat before I go. I will not advise you to do this, but I'll just show you. I will not advise you. Write me.
Sharp, Mr. Chu, this is sharp, man.
I don't believe her first name and last name. That's the major criteria. Don't do this. I'll repeat, don't do this. I just show you what is available to you. When you have grown, you can now do this. But for now, don't do this. Check, bye-bye. Are you seeing what it's doing? Log in with empty first name field. Log in with invalid last name. Log in with invalid first name. Log in with, so this is what Derek did before. I'm telling you now, don't see special character. Log in with special character in first name and last name. Case sensitivity. Oh God, this one is very necessary. Some places can be case sensitive. This one is going too far. Database. Remember me functionality. Yeah. So with these very few points of mine, don't do this last thing I did at home, but I wish you the very best. Your journey as a QA professional and not just as a tester. Udeme, peace out. How are you doing?
I'm here.
Thank you.
Chooks, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone. This is class. This is class 7, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is class 7.
Yeah.
So one more class to go, right? Is tomorrow's class a topic focus class or mostly assessments?
It's just revision. We'll just do revision.
All right, great. That's great.
People will come and talk from class 1 to class finish.
All right. So guys, get back from service quickly. Do a revision. I think you guys should clap for yourselves.
Please, the slide.
He will share the
I'll
slide.
share it on.
He will share.
I'll share it on your.
Well, I think you guys should
I'll share it
celebrate
on
yourself. You've gone through one.
Mr. Chills, thank you. Mr. Chills.
Thank God.
All right, guys. So I know it's late. Let me release you. Thank you, Sir Chooks. Good night, everyone.
Good night to them, man.
Good
Have a
night.
nice night.
You
Good night,
too.
Mr. Chooks.